The 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, front wheel drive, MP3 capability, compass, child safety locks, power windows. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.